Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com and coolscheaplaptops.com. Here's a short video on plugged in not charging battery fix. Are you getting a plugged in not charging message from your laptop battery? Well, for a free fix, try this easy 12-step battery calibration and see if it works for you. Step 1. Shut down Windows and power off your laptop. Step 2. Disconnect the AC plug from your laptop. Step 3. Remove your laptop battery. Step 4. Connect your AC plug to your laptop. Step 5. Turn your laptop on and boot to Windows. Step 6. Uninstall all Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery listings in your device manager. More than one is okay. Go to your control panel, then click on Device Manager. Once there, look for your battery listings, and to the right of Microsoft AC Adapter, uninstall, and to the right of Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery listings, also uninstall that one. Step 7. Shut down Windows and power off your laptop. Step 8. Disconnect the AC plug from your laptop. Step 9. Insert your battery into your laptop. Step 10. Connect your AC plug to your laptop. Step 11. Turn your laptop on and load Windows. Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery listings will auto install again for you. Step 12. Completely drain your battery charge and recharge about 3 times. This is the most important part right here. Allow battery to cool down to room temperature between charges. Okay, that's it for this video. Be sure to click on the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this one.